one, the last place is the basement. Yeah.
Okay, basement for sure.
Yeah. All the way down.
You got your key card?
No, I didn't give me one.
Mike ain't hell in the bed.
How we get to the basement?
No, he ain't seen nothing like that. Ain't going.
Go down.
That's roof. That's
Oh.
Oh no, come on. Man, you can't even get that way.
Wait, didn't we just come down from there?
What the fucking microwave, bro, man? We can't even.
Damn, we gotta take the elevator then.
What the key card?
They don't give me one, remember?
We stuck down here.
Call Jay.
We can't even get up, bro. We're stuck.
Oh, you do need the...
Can you swipe for us?
I don't think they got a key card.
We left our key. Huh? We left our key. Oh, yeah, but they could store that shit somewhere else, bro. They got what now? We both what do you want me to do like that? We stuck down here.
Chat, can y'all tell Jay?
Nah, we just got somebody's gonna come down.
You know what I'm saying? He's coming. Like, I told you, we need to be on the first floor so we can deal with a little bit of that. Like, I need to be on the first floor for security reasons. Because
You got a key card?
If it is a situation,
Yeah, but I ain't supposed to be using it for y'all. Where y'all at?
I left my
you feel what I'm saying, bro?
Come on, man, turn me up, man. Oh, he got his.
Alright, we're going.
Hey, you can swipe us up? I left my key card.
Oh, God, you trying to go up? Man, listen. Go get your...
Hey, I was thinking, I'm hungry, couldn't find my.
It might be
Oh,
my
yeah,
basement as far as a microwave.
Oh, them bitches dumb.
Appreciate it.
That little room where all the games and stuff in it might be one down there. I ain't been down there in a minute, so I don't know.
Alright,
But it ain't no microwave there, no. Big stuff in this room.
What up, baby? Hi.
Bro, ain't no microwave.
We've been looking for a microwave. They said Tello got one.
It ain't. I just left from up there.
Oh. So what? There's no microwave?
Downstairs either?
It ain't the one in the basement? Wait, so why they got a noodle station with no
Well, hot
microwave?
water, they got.
Oh, they
boiling
did?
water.
They giving us noodles, what they do?
Yes,
Where?
they will downstairs in the basement, it's a thing with boiling water. Like a tea kettle thing. You can
That could work too.
Let me get my key card.
in the basement.
Yeah, but that one... for me. Yeah.
I like my shit hot. Max, bitch.
Hey, good.
Bro, no microwave. Oh, but they say boiling water in the basement, so I came to get my key card. Cause we got stuck on the bottom floor. They got security on that crash.
I know.
Crash. Security crash.
Right now.
Were you on my portable charger no more?
No, I haven't seen
So
that.
what floor the
Right,
basement on?
no.
Hey, what floor
All the way at the bottom. We have to walk.
If that bit, that means. Did me?
Yeah, that's not that one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Man, look, piss. Man, ain't got a lot going on. Nope, I need a microwave in this thing.
Bro. Ain't nobody come in here, right?
No, what happened? What you missing, gang? I be telling you, man.
My portable charger.
What it look like?
Man, that big thing, you know how big that is, you can't miss that.
It looked like ours, but this is like a newer version.
Is it that little thing right there?
Yeah, it looked like that. No, that's ours.
Oh. You gotta be struck. You gotta make sure you lock the door now.
Bro, I've been here the whole time. I didn't go nowhere. That's why I'm so confused.
Check your booty.
All right.
Man, what you doing, gang? Hey, I'm gonna go to the basement, gang. We hungry. Man, you gotta
Why you
talk
not
about
talking about me?
Is it right there, Jay? Is it that one right there? In that corner?
Man,
Ruin it.
You see you caking that night, huh? He caking. He caking.
No, that's you can't. I don't see you with Dan over here, man. Man, you talking about room.
Hey, man, I'm just. Oh, I need to go to the basement.
It feels like you're out of sync with your life.
I'm starting to think I am better at being in the...
Which one you want to go to?
I'm trying to think.
See what this one say? What's that?
No!
back and grab it.
Bro, noodles, man. Bro, my man. See, when you hungry, you're not yourself. You're not yourself when you hungry. Eat this nigga. Let me piss first. Leave.
Oh,
yeah? They just told us we're not. No. Talil told me that.
yeah. Don't worry.
You know, we got right. Is it Big Mac? Still on lockdown. Dudes in the hallway just say we still on lockdown.
They just skip cutscene.
Bro, close door, bro. I don't know what. I'm hungry as a. Bro.
Grab news and we can still walk down there.
Man, I'm finna grab my down now. They said we still on lockdown.
How? We hungry, bro.
Fuck that shit. Come on, man.
I like that type of activity.
You got your noodles? You got your key card? They saying better make it back quick. Huh? In the chat. They say they better make it back quick.
It's like really, yeah.
And you got this out there?
Yeah, I'm trying to get to the basement.
Oh, you ain't been down there yet?
Nah, I'm trying to get some hot water.
Kai lifted the
Yeah, that's what they told me up there.
nobody even know for sure. Everybody get over there. Fat ass.
I'm trying to, man.
All right, now basement.
Oh, yeah.
We good?
Yeah.
How you boil this?
No, it's hot already.
It's hot.
Yo, you got your key, right?
Yeah, I got it.
You do, right?
Yeah, we got it because you get locked in.
Okay, cool. All right, good night.
All right, good night. Niggas say expel a guy on the way. Shit, man. Well, you gotta expel their ass first. Dude. Fuck, mama.
Put some more?
Ain't no fucking more. You gotta ball this shit, gang.
It gonna take quick. It's electric. They unplugged it. That's why too.
Man, this some ghetto ass shit. Plug it up. Dang, we in this bitch like we making crack or something. This shit. You plug it right here? Yeah, here you go. Plug that bitch up.
Bro, why did you?
YouTube loud. I just gotta let that bitch. Is it hot enough though? What you doing? That bitch was on, mama. What I did? You turned it off. How long it take? We ain't here too long.
Oh, that's the coffee shit. Okay. Looks like it's already starting.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, they got cold drinks. I got a Sprite.
You got a book set?
No, I don't.
So I would have cleaned this motherfucker out. Shit. Thugging, niggas say we thugging. Can you bust it like me?
Oh.
Oh my god. What the?
Hey, this nigga found a microwave. What the fuck?
Our room. We can take this bitch to our room.
Wait, what are we doing? They just heated it up now.
That's what I'm trying to do. Hey, I'm gonna take this bitch to the room.
There we go. Oh yeah, just.
Instructions, shit. Instructions, man.
We better hurry up and use it before everybody just.
I want to take that bit upstairs.
I know, but you know. Watch that till air.
Hey, chat, we found a microwave. A microwave all night.
My eyes were straight open. I said, what is that?
You smart. Golden eye looking at. Hey, what the fuck?
It stopped 3 minutes.
There you go. Yeah, bitch. Hey, man, I'll take this to the room. Man, I just ordered this. Real talk. Y'all want me to take the whole microwave?
Check out the microwave with my mama.
Then everybody ain't gonna use that shit.
No, they got this shit.
They got this. Is it crazy, Chad? Cause I gotta wait on Momo. You got your ID card?
No. They don't give me one, remember. My shit only gonna be in there for like 3 minutes.
Ooh, nigga found a microwave, bitch. It's like Christmas in the hood, nigga. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I hate when I put water in my noodles and wait till that shit like you warmed it up, man. Real, bitch. Nigga found a whole microwave, nigga. It's like Christmas in the hood, nigga.
You gonna start trapping out the dorm room.
Trapping out the dorm room. Nigga got a microwave with the isotol. Hey, look, we really could, cause when you get on the elevator, we just got on straight up. Nigga, what you doing, man? I just ordered this. You heard me? Just ordered it. What up? Somebody say take it. Man, we just got this bitch out the closet, man. I'll take that bitch up.
When did you say you pulled it out your suitcase?
After this, take it straight up.
Oh, okay then I heat it up there.
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
You just
yeah,
walking away. We're gonna sacrifice that.
To remind you that 60% of sales on Amazon come from independent sellers, Tracy from Lily's of Charleston will watch 60 contestants.
That one, cause you ain't gonna want to be.
Yeah, because it's already soggy.
So we're gonna take the whole microwave. Kyle around the corner. What corner you on? He coming. You looking for me? Nigga say, watch y'all to move tactical. Kai and DDG room. Well, we good. We'll take this whole microwave. Shit, we found this. It's been unplugged and put up.
You're not wrong.
Damn, that'll take a forever. Fuck.
Kai. Oh yeah, instruction. It's your
You want me to hold that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take and I'm gonna grab the microwave. You hold that.
Give me your drink.
It's just instruction. You expelling money. They say they expelling people. You finna get expelled.
We should just leave it there.
Leave it.
Yeah, leave that shit alone.
Well, no, we're gonna put this bitch back where we found it.
I need to microwave my shit. Why don't you just leave it up?
Come on.
I already threw my shit away.
Fuck it, we're gonna come back.
All right.
I'm gonna send you back. Fuck it. I want that microwave.
Click it.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Man, I thought you were gonna take it.
There you go. Now it's great.
They telling me to take that bitch. Man, I want to take that bitch. But I don't want to let my juices throw win, and I take it and open it up and they go, Kai, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm putting it in.
Nigga gave me this, I love. They telling me to take that bitch.
That's a one-time little ball.
Bro, we can go straight up, gang. Yeah, I can just set it right here. Take it.
Remember, we can't stay. Hurry.
Back. It is. Oh, we can. found it, bro.
We found
You
that.
ain't steal it.
Where y'all found that at?
We gonna put it back. We just found it, bitch. We just sitting there.
We gotta make a mukbang now. All right.
Bitch, we gotta eat.
Talking about
We done, bitch. We structured. This shit structured. This shit structured. Want me noodles up, mama? Want me noodles up? What up, Chad? Shit, we structured now. You gotta plug that bitch up out of the door. I'm trying to find a plug. Nigga, plug it up under the bed, nigga.
You want some noodles or what?
You want some noodles?
Not right now.
This shit so good, Jay. Microwave came in handy, nigga. Hey, man, you ain't gonna doubt me down for this shit? Bitch, we roommates. We taking that lick together.
Oh, nigga said we taking that link together, bro.
Mm.
I ain't heard that shit, man.
Every time I you scary as a bitch.
Who, Jay? Bitch, I turned you up. You ain't gotta go. You ain't
I
gotta.
ain't gotta go nowhere.
You ain't even gotta go do what we did, bitch.
Well, that's pretty good. Appreciate you for that, man. Appreciate you for that, man.
We super structured. Bitch, we got a microwave, bitch. Jay, bitch, I turned this up. Hey, look, cause we down there. They got this lit hot water boiler, right? Man, shit wasn't gonna get your food right. So Momo turned around, and in the distance, he'll see a microwave. It's like a movie. Ooh, I swear to God, it's like a movie. Ooh. Intrusive thought came. We hurry up, grab it, plug it up, to warm our shit up. He got some noodles, but he got the water already in. I'm saying, man, we gotta move quick and strategic. I grabbed it, took it up.
Yeah, that's that big. Oh, yeah, that's that big. So when you come in here, just put that bit behind your head.
Hey, no, don't answer the door.
Huh? We sleep? So don't say that.
We're not opening our door chat for no nigga. Nigga gotta pay us to warm up they shit around this bit.
They got that other one. They got that little water heater.
They say DDG telling. DDG ready? Jay, if you a real nigga, you'll take that route.
Nigga said, if I'm a real nigga, take that route. Boy, you got me fucked up, nigga. Nigga look like
Oh, I forgot, we on your computer.
Take a charge. Do I look like a nigga that take a charge?
They say Kyle on the way, they cap. No, he's not.
Man, you better go put that in the middle on. Oh! Mute straight. Put that in the middle. You on a personal life, so it wouldn't matter. See, that's exactly why I wanted to play the game, son. GTRP would be way better, son. Y'all running through yelling and shit.
We just, wait, man, my nigga Momo went on that GTA mission, bitch. We get it spelled together.
I guess so. Keep your cameraman. You just make no sense.
Hold on, y'all. I don't think you guys understand how crazy this is. You're looking at a 22-year-old capturing Vince Staples.